In yesterday's attack of the Meitei villages by armed Kuki militants at Sabungko Kuno area under Yangangpo Police Station using bombs and gunfiring, women Meira Paibis protested against the biased reaction of the Central Security Forces, wherein, despite the presence of the Central Security Forces, Kuki militants are still carrying out the attacks. Women Meira Paibis blocked the passage of the Central Security Forces yesterday, and in the confrontation, several women Meira Paibis sustained injuries as a result of assault and use of physical forces by the Central Security Forces. The excessive acts of the Central Security Forces have been vehemently condemned by the women Meira Paibis of Shanungkok area, and they have expressed that complaints will be lodged with the Manipur State Commission for Women, including other concerned authorities. In press meet held late night yesterday at Sabungko Kuno, one Meira Paibi, Waikom Ongbi Babita stated that everyone is aware of the fact that Kuki militants have been attacking Meitei villages since the beginning of the ongoing violence in the state. However, it is very unfortunate that despite knowing this fact, the Central Security Forces, who have been sent by the central government to safeguard and protect the people of Manipur from the attacks of the Kuki militants, are supporting the Kuki militants and are targeting innocent people instead of protecting them. She added that during the 5-month-long violence in the state, Meitei volunteers and Meira Paibis have been protecting themselves and the villages, and when Kuki militants attack, the Central Security Forces are using excessive force against unarmed women protesters, and such acts are condemnable.
Hanjal pure, Nahamuk to pure, Kashandong and Nupi, and Puituni. I will come, Kang Bangam, Nupi, Kang Bang.